Hey guys, Happy New Year to you. I just wanted to do a quick video to share with you of my 2018 McLaren 720S. This is a high spec car. It has a sticker of 394,000. It does have all carbon options plus quite a bit that Evolution has done to it. And we can start with the lowering springs. We also did the ultra super lightweight wheels with titanium bolts. It has lowering springs from our custom build, and as you can see, everything sits absolutely perfect. Just wanted to give you a good shot of how everything is sitting. The Glacier White paint is amazing on this car. It is definitely one of my favorites, as it does change. It does have like a grayish hue. I have a good friend of mine, Roberto, with his Lamborghini Aventador Roadster, and he could not shut up about how he likes the color. And it is a beautiful color. As you can see, it does show pearlescence when the sun is hitting it, but once it goes into the shade, as you can see, it goes into like a grayish color. It's very unique, very unique. But again, this car is highly optioned. It does have the full carbon package 1, 2, and 3. It also has an Evolution Automotive OEM style air brake, which goes very well with the MSO deck and engine cover. It's a perfect match as far as the factory weave. As you can see here, it flows right into the other parts of the car, the carbon. Of course, it has a lower rear bumper in carbon, as well as the diffuser. We did some accenting in a silver to follow suit with the white. It just worked out really well. And as you can see, the lines on this car are absolutely stunning. This car will be, or should I say it has been sold. The new owner, very lucky person, is going to take delivery of it in early March, and there is no doubt in my mind he's absolutely going to love it. This car has quite a bit of trunk space compared to the predecessors, the 12C, the MP4 12C, as well as the 650S. There is quite a bit of extra frunk space, if you will. I'll let you take a peek. As you can see, it's much deeper than before, meaning you can get quite a bit of luggage in there, whatever you want. Well, I go grocery shopping, it doesn't matter. I drive this car endlessly. I love it that much. It's so easy to drive. You set the settings in the comfort mode, and it's just absolutely wonderful. But as you can see, it even has a fire extinguisher, the safety triangle. It has every option. It also has the carbon badge, which was added after. As you can see, it also has the carbon roof, and of course the Gorilla Glass. We're going to step inside. The door handle is located on the inside of the door. Fairly easy. And you can see the exposed carbon. This is an option. As you can see, that just came up on the dash. It also has the MSO paddles. And again, the exposed carbon here is an option. And again, this car is heavily optioned. And you can see the 4x4 and the forged carbon blended together. It's very unique. I've not seen this before on a vehicle. You can see the forged carbon here. This car also has the option with the carbon seat backs, which I love these. They're absolutely stunning, especially with the interior color. It's a very unique color. Again, and with the carbon, it accents exceptionally well. I mean, it's just so pretty. And back here, you can see there are no blind spots. none whatsoever. As you can see, they're just slivers, and those are part of the carbon monocage 2 that McLaren came up with for this car. This is a direct descendant of the carbon monocage 1 of the F1. But as you can see, I'm not sure if you can see that. I'm going to brighten it up just a little bit. Just hopefully you can see that forged carbon. There are no blind spots here though. It's amazing. And of course you have the glass roof, Gorilla Glass that are attached on top of the doors. A lot of people say they're small, but honestly, when you're the passenger or the driver, they're perfect. So I'd have to disagree with them on that. All right, so let's step inside. This car does feature the carbon pack 1 and 2. So you're going to have the Bowers Wilkins stereo. It does have the 360 park assist, which basically shows you where you are as far as your surroundings, which I find to be pretty cool. We're going to go ahead and start it up. And the dash is going to come up. I usually run it in track mode. As far as the powertrain goes, it's just my preference. You can change it from comfort to sport to track. Just driving around, comfort's amazing. You're going to be hard pressed to find a car that that rides better. And when you hit the active, the dash will want to close and go into the race mode, as you can see, which shows just the gear, RPM, and the speedo. I'm going to go ahead and put it back up. Aero, of course, you can add. It's going to tell you that it's too low. That's okay, we know that. Now I'll let you have a listen to the exhaust for just a moment. Nick, that one's for you, buddy. Sounds amazing. But I'm not going to do a rev battle in the parking lot as in Celestina. They won't appreciate that. Okay, so that being said, there's your 360 park, which shows you pretty much everything around it. Let me shut the door. It doesn't like that. There we go. Now it's going to show us what we've got. And then of course you also have the camera up here. Pretty cool. All right, we'll do one more walk around. As I was saying, this car does not disappoint in any way. I really enjoyed my MP412C. I enjoyed my 650S just a little bit more, but I can't say enough about the 720S. Obviously, I'm a big McLaren fan. All cars have something to offer. This car covers all bases. The color combination, I was skeptical. I've never owned a white car. I was really on the fence about it. After purchasing the car, I couldn't see me owning the car in any other color. So that pretty much settles that. I ordered my 2019 720S Spider in the exact same colors. I'll do one more walk around. Appreciate you guys hanging with me while I go through everything. I never get tired of looking at this car. The lines are so sublime. They're just so beautiful. Robert Melville, the designer, absolutely hit it out of the park. Sorry about the sun peeking through there. We are getting close to sunset. I kind of wanted that. That way I could show you how the color changes. All right, guys, once again, Happy New Year's to you. Hope you had a fantastic 2018, because 2019 is on us now, and I'm very excited. Till then, have a great day.